Everyone, and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good, and today I'm sharing a recipe of pakoda curry. And for that I have put some oil in the pot, and then I add curry leaf, around 11 to 12 curry leaf, and I have added 3 big onion. Stir well onion and let it cook until the onion gets brown. And once onion gets brown, then add 2 full spoon of ginger garlic paste, and then mix the ginger garlic paste and cook for around 1 to 2 minutes. After cooking ginger garlic paste for about 2 minutes, add spices, which are haldi, means turmeric, around 2 full spoon of turmeric, and then add salt per taste. I'm adding 1 spoon right now. I'll add later if I need more. Then 2 full spoon of red chili powder and 2 full spoon of red crushed pepper. Then stir well and cook for around 2 to 3 minutes, and after 2 to 3 minutes add tomatoes and then stir well and let it cook for another 5 minutes. So tomato mixture is cooking, we'll make lassi, which is 1.5 cup of yogurt, and then 1 full cup of gram flour, mean besan, and then I have added 1 full spoon of haldi, means turmeric powder, and then 3 cups of water, and grind it and keep this lassi aside. So when oil is separated and tomatoes are well cooked, then we will add lassi into it, and make sure keep stirring and add more 3 to 4 cups of water and keep stirring. Don't forget to stir well when you're adding lassi and water in it, and cook on high flame until the boil comes up. And once the boil comes up, just cook for around 45 to 50 minutes on medium to low flame. So while the curry is cooking, we'll make a pakoda for the curry, and for that we'll take 1 big onion, 2 potatoes, and a half bunch of mint leaf, and then we'll add spices, which are salt, red chili powder, red crushed pepper, a baking powder of a half spoon, and then whole coriander. I took 3 big full spoon of whole coriander and I crushed in my palms, and then I added in it. And then I'll add besan, means ground flour, around a half cup, but I'll mix it and I'll see how much we'll need it. So until it get the thick mixture, so I'll just add water into the besan and I'll mix it, and I'll taste the salt. If I need more, I'll just add it, and then I'll keep this aside for 10 to 12 minutes, and we'll make pakoda, means we'll fry pakoda. After 45 minutes of cooking curry, we'll add that pakoda into the curry, and we will cook the curry pakoda for another 15 to 20 minutes on low flame. And meanwhile we'll add tadka, we'll prepare for the tadka. And for tadka I have took a fresh garlic, which is around 3 to 4 cloves fresh garlic, and then I took a zira, mean cumin seed, and red whole pepper and curry leaves, and we'll cook it until it gets brown. And then we'll add this tadka into the curry, and when we're adding this tadka, we'll just quickly cover the lid and let it, the lid cover for around 3 minutes. And after the 3 minutes, I will cook for more 5 minutes. I'll mix it and then I'll cook for more 5 minutes, and then that's it. The curry is ready to serve. I hope you all like the pakoda curry recipe, and if you have any question, do let me know by comments below, and thank you so very much for watching.